Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, ideally with their green stems intact. Carefully wash each berry under cool water, then pat them completely dry with a paper towel. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be where your dipped strawberries will cool and set. Now, let's melt the chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, such as semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips or a chopped bar. You can melt it using a double boiler over simmering water or in the microwave. If using the microwave, heat in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each, until it's smooth and glossy. Ensure the chocolate doesn't get too hot, as this can cause it to seize. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold a strawberry by its green stem, or by the top if the stem is removed. Dip the berry into the melted chocolate, rotating it gently to coat about 2/3 of its surface. Lift the strawberry and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. This prevents puddles and ensures a clean finish. Then, carefully place it onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your strawberries are dipped, it's time for them to set. Place the baking sheet into the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is firm to the touch. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with white chocolate or sprinkle them with nuts before they fully set. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.